Most people get this wrong when they hear about apps like Drop. They think it is a quick money-making trick or a cashback hack that pays instantly. Then they try it for a few days, don't see big rewards, and assume it is fake. Here's the truth no one tells you. Drop is not a scam, but it is also not a fast income app. It is a slow cashback reward system built around everyday spending. Quick promise for you. In this video, you will understand exactly how the Drop app works in 2026, whether it is legit, how people actually earn rewards, where it performs well, and the common mistakes that make users think it does not pay. Let's start with the basics. Drop is a cashback app that connects to your debit or credit card. When you shop at partnered brands, you automatically earn points. Those points can later be redeemed for gift cards or rewards. So unlike survey apps, you do not need to complete tasks or watch ads. You just spend normally. Now here's where it gets interesting. Drop is fully passive, but that also means your earnings depend entirely on your spending habits. If you rarely shop at partner stores, your rewards will feel very slow. That is why some users like Alex see value, while others think the app is useless. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect instant cashback after downloading the app. Drop rewards often take time to appear because purchases need to be verified by the retailer. So even if you spent money today, your points may only show up after a few days. Let's talk about how real users earn. Imagine Jake buys groceries, coffee and clothing from partner brands linked in Drop. Every purchase quietly adds points in the background. Over a month, these small rewards add up without him doing anything extra. Now, let's cover legitimacy. Drop is a real rewards platform, not a scam. It partners with well-known retailers and uses standard affiliate tracking systems. That means your data is processed securely, and rewards are tied to real transactions. But here is an important detail. Drop does not replace cashback apps like Rakuten or Ibotta. Instead, it works in the background while you spend. That is why many users combine it with other reward platforms for better results. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake. People install Drop but never link their primary spending card. Without that connection, the app cannot track purchases, and they earn nothing. So setup is everything. Here's a simple way to get the most out of it. Link your main card. Shop only at participating brands when possible, and check the app regularly for bonus offers. In a minute, you will notice that most rewards come from consistent everyday spending, not special purchases. So let's summarize everything. Drop is legit and safe to use. It is a passive cashback app, not an income generator. Earnings depend on where you shop, and rewards take time to appear. The key to success is proper setup and consistent usage. If you understand that, you will avoid disappointment and actually benefit from the app over time. If this helped, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns like this.